Hello everyone and welcome to my channel From Pizza to Dal Chawal. So today I'll be sharing the recipe of this delicious chocolate pudding. This is just so yummy and decadent. So do check out the recipe and give it a try. So first mix 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons of corn flour, 4 tablespoons of sugar and a pinch of salt. After the dry ingredients are fully combined, gradually add 2 cups of milk and mix. Transfer the mixture to stove top and heat the mixture by stirring it continuously. Keep it on low-medium flame. The mixture has thickened now. Add 1/4 cup of dark or milk chocolate and 1/4 cup of fresh cream. This is totally optional. Whisk till the chocolate melts and mixes. The consistency should be like this. Remove from heat and then add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Mix well and combine. Transfer the mixture to your choice of glasses or cups. Chill in refrigerator for 4 to 5 hours or overnight. Our pudding is perfectly set now. Garnish with some grated chocolate. A delicious and creamy chocolate pudding is ready now. This is so easy to make and is so delicious. So do try it out this Valentine's Day and enjoy. So if you like this recipe, do share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.